Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So these are the items that you would need. I'm gonna list out a more detailed description below. I wanted to start off by showing you the actual base of the centerpiece. I did buy all my materials at the Dollar Tree except for the actual images that I'll be using, but everything else came from the Dollar Tree. So let me just break down what I actually put inside of the base so you guys can see exactly what I used to make it, since I didn't get any video footage of that. So that's me just taking out the crinkle paper right now to show you what's actually inside of the tin bucket. I did use a round foam and I cut it into 4 pieces, and I just stacked 2 pieces on top of each other and placed them on top of those rocks that you see at the bottom of the tin bucket, just like that. And then I just placed the crinkle paper on top. I'll show you the pebbles in 1 second. Again, it's like a pack of pebbles that you get from the Dollar Tree, rocks, as the description on their website says. I did buy about 4 or 5 packs just to give it a good amount of weight for each centerpiece. I used, it was about 600 pieces. I used all the bags for just added weight because they were going to be outside. I didn't want them to fall over or anything like that. So I don't have anything underneath the pebbles or anything like that. It's just the pebbles. I didn't glue them or anything down. So I just placed them in there, and then I just placed the foams on there. I tried to put it as straight as possible, and I just stacked the other one on top. I didn't use any glue to secure it or anything like that. If you would like, you can use glue. It's up to you. But then I would just stuff the crinkle paper. I used a good amount of crinkle paper, and I made sure I secured the sides. I stuffed it real good on the sides, made sure everything was nice and tight, that I wasn't moving around or anything like that. And then that was about it for the base. Obviously, later on in the video, I'll show you in more detail how I added on that spider in the front, and how I put the skewers in with the rest of the images. But keep on watching so you can see how the rest of the centerpiece is made. Okay, so at this point, this is how I made the actual images onto the skewers. I did see the inspo picture that I used, the client sent me specifically, did use skewers. And I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But I did see another person use like straws. I'm not sure if they put the straws on top of the skewers or how that worked, but I like the fact that the skewers gave them a little bit more stability. So you're in these next couple of clips, you're gonna see me glue on the black base. You're gonna see me add hot glue, add the skewer, then put regular glue on the actual paper, and then glue the actual image on top. I also add a little bit of glue on the skewer so that the image would actually stick on there, just for extra security. Again, these centerpieces were going to be outside. It has been a little bit windy out in South Jersey, so I just wanted to make sure that they wouldn't fall apart and that none of the centerpieces would start peeling off or anything like that. And I just wanted to point out that it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it looks, like it has a back and it's not just the skewers visible in the back, I think that's perfect. My client didn't ask for it to be double-sided, so I didn't do it double-sided. That would have consumed more ink and more paper. I did use cardstock to print out those images, and I did do them with my Cricut machine as well as the spiders. Now in these couple clips that you'll see is me putting on a 3D glue dot. A double-sided glue dot onto the tin can. My Cricut machine did cut out the spider, and I just placed it on there just to give it a little 3D effect, just because it was going to be an outside event. Here I am showing you the front and the back of the actual centerpiece. And I'm sorry the image is out of frame, but the way that my house is set up, I wasn't able to really get a lot of angles. I am going to show you a video which is coming up now on the actual finished centerpiece. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you liked everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you.